How to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable ChatGPT's voice to voice. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to have the updated version of ChatGPT. If you don't have it, head over to App Store or Play Store and simply update your ChatGPT. After you do that, you can open up your app. And after you open up your app, make sure that you have logged in into your account. After you do that, on the top left side, you will see two lines. Tap on it. After you do that, there you should see three dots right beside your name. Tap on it. And after you do that, there you should see different options. Now, the option that we want to select is there you will find an option called New Features. You will need to tap on New Features, and after you tap on New Features, there will be an option called Voice Conversations, and you'll need to toggle it on. Now, I don't have voice conversations in my iPhone, but it might be on yours, so you can simply toggle it on and enable it. If you don't have it, you will see an option like this here. This is the voice mode, which means that you have already enabled your voice conversation and it's pre-enabled, and all you need to do is tap on this button on the bottom right corner. As you can see, you can get a sneak peek at the advanced voice mode where you can have natural conversations and you're in control. So you can choose a voice from here.
How's it going? I'm looking forward to
You can then start speaking to your ChatGPT. But you will need to keep in mind, to fully use this feature, you will need to have ChatGPT Plus. So yeah, you will need to buy it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.